In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize for screen readers on WordPress. This tutorial is perfect for beginners who want to make their website more accessible and inclusive. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to head over to your WordPress dashboard. Make sure you're already logged into your WordPress site. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left side and click on the Plugins option. Plugins are essential tools for WordPress, allowing you to add all sorts of functionality to your site without any coding knowledge. After clicking on Plugins, you'll see a page with all your current plugins. Look for a button at the top that says Add New and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can add new plugins to your WordPress site. In the search box on the right side, type in Screen Reader Text and press Enter. This will help you find plugins specifically designed to enhance screen reader compatibility. When you're presented with the search results, find a plugin that suits your needs and click on the Install Now button. Installing the plugin is quick and straightforward. It's important because these plugins will help structure your content better for screen readers, making it accessible to visually impaired users. Once the plugin is installed, the Install Now button will change to Activate. Click on Activate to make sure the plugin is running on your site. Activation is crucial, as it allows the plugin to start functioning and making the necessary changes to improve your site's accessibility. Next, we'll move on to making sure this new feature is working within your content. Click on Posts in your dashboard, then select a post that you would like to optimize. Once you've selected a post, click on Edit to open it. Now, take a look at the top right corner of the post editor. Here, you should find a button related to Screen Reader Text Visibility. This is what allows you to toggle the screen reader optimization on or off. Click on that button to see the option. After clicking, simply enable the option provided. This step is vital as it ensures that your content is now accessible for screen readers, helping users who rely on assistive technologies to better understand your website's content. Congratulations, you've enabled screen reader text visibility. Ensuring that your website is accessible is a step forward in creating a more inclusive web environment. Not only does this benefit your site visitors who use screen readers, but it also improves overall usability and SEO. That's it for today's tutorial on optimizing for screen readers on WordPress. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're more confident in making your WordPress site accessible to all users. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.